Amazon Associates 2025, a new way to earn. Affiliate marketing just got a whole lot smarter. Amazon Associates has updated its system for 2025, and if you know how to ride this wave, it can mean passive income with every click. Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to be talking about Amazon and how you're going to be going ahead and making a lot of great income through the Amazon Associates program. Now, if you're, a general freelancer or maybe even if you've done affiliate marketing, then you definitely know about Amazon Associates because it's the biggest affiliate marketing platform right now in the world, I think. And obviously, the whole fact that it's affiliated with Amazon, the biggest store in the world, is crazy. That basically shows you that this is totally trusted and obviously a good place to start your workings on. Now, what is new about the Amazon Associates in 2025? Now, Amazon has introduced new tools for creators, including one click product linking, better analytics, and AI assisted link placement. Now, one-click product linking has changed things so valiantly that if there are products, like let's say there's a product that I want to go ahead and become an affiliate for, right? So I simply come here and you can go ahead and choose whichever one of these products you want to go with. So let's say I go ahead and like this product a lot. Now I'm going to open this product up and there's going to be one click linking that will give you the link immediately once you click it because beforehand you had to go over to the product, you have to open up your site suite. Over there you had to choose the style of link you want and then get the link. Obviously not a difficult thing to do, but it did take up a lot of a person's time. One click has obviously made it more efficient and made life easier. The better analytics that you get are more analytical senses about your associates program. You know, how much money is coming in, how much money is going out, how many clicks you're getting, how many visits you're getting, etc. And obviously, AI assisted link placement, which obviously helps you into realizing where and when your link placement is going to be best because obviously AI supports you in helping. Now, there are also more ways to earn, such as influencer storefronts, live streaming, and even in app promotions that you can do. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool and fun way to promote products through your Amazon Associates portal. Now, how does the Amazon Associates portal work? So, first of all, you have to sign up at affiliateprogram.amazon.com. So the sign up process is pretty simple and straightforward. If you have an Amazon account in your country, what you can basically do is just go ahead and sign in with that same Amazon account, and it's going to ask you for some verifications like your ID, your basic verification papers, and all that. And once approved, you can generate unique products for yourself and place them in your YouTube video descriptions, blog posts, social media, Instagram descriptions, Instagram bios, etc. Now, when someone clicks on the link that you have generated and buys, you are going to earn a commission, even if they buy something else, because they went through your link. And obviously, through your link, you became a proper marketer towards Amazon because obviously Amazon wants to sell their products, and if you're selling their products for them, obviously a little commission does make sense, and you can get pretty decent commission up to 10%, which is pretty incredible. So if I sell a product that's worth, let's say, $100, I'll get $10 out of it, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty straightforward and easy way to earn good amounts of money for yourself. Now, moving on, let's talk about the different high earning niches that you have on this website. Now, do make sure to focus on evergreen categories, stuff like home gadgets, fitness gear, tech accessories, and even baby products. Use review style content like top 5 Bluetooth speakers for 2025 or my desk setup essentials. Now, doing these things will not only allow you to go ahead and get a better seller, you'll also be more marketed and more clicks will come into you. So let's say I go over to the product section and let's go with tech accessories, right? Now for tech accessories, what you can do is simply come over to, let's say, computers, and let's go ahead with a monitor. Okay. So let's say I want to sell a monitor, and we have this incredible 32-inch curved gaming monitor right here. Now, to become an affiliate marketer for this, I am going to need to create a nice looking view for it. Now, for that, what you can do is you can go over to canva.com. Now, Canva.com is a totally free graphic designing app that allows you to create any style of graphics and any style of different types of media. Now, to do this, go ahead to create a design. And here, in what would you like to create, you're going to go ahead and write in Pinterest pin. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I having you do this? Don't worry, just work along with it. You're going to go ahead and create the Pinterest pin. Let's say I'm going to choose a solid background color. Let's go with dark blue. Now I'm going to come back over to Amazon. Let's go ahead and click over to this link. Go ahead and choose some nice photos of the product. So I'm going to choose this photo right here. We're going to save the image as right here. And once that is downloaded, let's bring it in. And here's our image. Let's go ahead and remove the background for the image as well. In the case that it doesn't remove the background, don't worry, you can simply go ahead and use any other product like remove.bg or Photoshop, but you can also have the background removed through Canva. Now, once the background is removed, what you can simply do on from there is, as you can see, it looks pretty nice and slick. So we're going to keep it in the center. And now what you can do is you can start adding the details about it. Add the description if you want to. What I'm simply going to be doing is I'm just going to add a little text telling people what it is. So Z Edge monitor. Okay. Obviously, don't make it as less descriptive as you can, because filling up your picture as much as you can makes it a better picture. So let's say I'm going to use this certain font right here. Let's give it a nice little color. Let's go with a yellow. And once you've done that, right down here, you can paste different essentials or different images. And once this is done, you're going to export this photo, go over to Pinterest, add a pin, and then leave a link down below. And that link is going to be your Amazon Associates link for this product. Now you probably get what I was telling you. And also, if I were to tell you the tools that will work best to boost your earnings, I will suggest go ahead and get Amazon SiteStripe for quick linking. Use Lasso or Thirsty Affiliates for better link management, and use AI tools like Jasper to write blog posts that are going to rank on Google. But yeah, generally, that's the main idea of Amazon Associates and how you're going to get paid in 2025 with the new workings. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.